Well, we made it to the weekend. A lot of folks are talking about the plans that we have and that we might be changing them based on what is headed our way. Yeah.
What's headed our way?
Well, we get a little of everything, a mix, transitioning to snow in some spots, freezing rain in others, and for some of us, just rain after that transition back occurs. And it's all part of this system you see moving in. It doesn't look like a whole bunch right now, but it is going to pick up some additional moisture in the next 24 hours as that moves in here. So just some clouds at the moment getting close. These are going to continue to overspread the area as the night continues. Temperatures early tomorrow morning in the 20s. Then we get to lunchtime. And this is where we see the first little bit of a couple snowflakes, maybe a little freezing drizzle or freezing rain. But you can see here most of the temperatures by the time we get to noon are going to be above freezing. And that's important because that would lend this to having a hard time accreting or encasing things in ice. So maybe a few slick spots as we get into the early part of the afternoon with this scattered precipitation. Now, as we get to the evening, this is where we start seeing more widespread different types of precipitation around the area. From Pittsburgh and south, this is looking to shape up as rain, but just north of town, at first, then a little more towards 422. By the time we get into 7:30, 8 o'clock, we're going to see some freezing rain starting to set up. And you can see the big temperature difference here where those temperatures are freezing or below along 422 through Indiana and then back into the higher terrain. Up north of that, north of I-80, we're going to see this as mainly snow. Now, this lasts through the evening into the wee morning hours of Sunday, but before sunrise, this is gone, and we're looking pretty good, although some cooler temperatures on Sunday. So the way this works out, Pittsburgh, Washington, Latrobe, Connellsville, Morgantown, Cranberry, Mars, Beaver, you're looking at mainly rain, and mainly is a very important word there. Now you look to the east, you look to Route 422 up to I-80, mainly freezing rain or icy glaze. Mainly snow, I-80 and north. And I say mainly because everybody runs the risk of at least some ice trying to sneak through at some point during the day. And by ice, I mean freezing rain. So there could be a couple pockets of that. As it stands right now, that's the way it's going to mainly shape up. When it comes to snowfall amounts, 1 to 3 inches as you get north of I-80, maybe a little dusting of snow in the ridges, but I think a lot of that is going to get washed away when the freezing rain turns on. Freezing rain amounts, this is trying to push towards a ½ inch. I'm thinking more a third might be more realistic. You could get a ¼ inch of ice as you go along Route 422 as well. So there is going to be some icing and some spots could get slick as a result of that. So tonight, 24 degrees, clouds on the increase, colder temperatures. Tomorrow morning, this is the best part of the day for doing things because we get into the afternoon and evening, and this is where we start seeing that mixing precipitation changing over to rain in Pittsburgh, but outside the city, you start running into some of those other issues. And over the next 7, as tomorrow's a KDKA First Alert Weather Day, we'll see things winding down. The beginning of next week, fairly quiet. We'll turn on some snow, but once we get into Thursday, we could see some snow making a comeback, and that's possibly a KDKA First Alert Weather Day as well.